Good morning, Garfield. Welcome back to the Garfield Griffin News. I'm Manuela,
I'm Cadence.
and today is Tuesday, May 12th.
Today is National Nutty Fudge Day.
Today's lunch is beef nachos with sour cream. The sides are seasoned black beans, elote-style corn with chili, and sauteed bell pepper and onions.
Tomorrow's lunch is teriyaki chicken with Asian brown rice. The sides are steamed broccoli florets, seasoned California vegetable blend, and roasted or steamed Brussels sprouts.
Today's weather is going to be sunny with some clouds with a high of 77 degrees.
Tomorrow's weather is going to be sunny with some clouds and a couple of showers with a high of 69 degrees. PLTW Guitar Showcase. See how to make music with a little programming and engineering. The date is Friday, May 15th, 1st, 4th, and 5th period. Learn how to play a guitar by using your body's conductivity to complete the circuit.
Fourth Quarter has exciting events coming up on May 19th. All 8th graders are invited back to Garfield for Design Night. This event will be held out front of the building from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Our fourth quarter incentive is also one to look forward to, a whole school day at Spookiner. Work hard this quarter, no Fs or big or OSS in order to attend. Don't forget to turn your permission slip before Friday. Happy birthday to Kyer and Bree. Happy birthday! That's all for today. Remember to work hard and be a great person. Bye!